Alright, Carlo Beck. So, right away, I'm just gonna get right to it. This is my father's old Sony Handycam camcorder from early 2000s. Uses a videotape, which goes in there. And it still works perfectly and it's in great condition. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try and stick it on my motorcycle as a dash cam. You can see my other one and the high 8mm camcorder. I zip tied it. I have a little tiny tripod right there, if you can see it. The camera is screwed onto a tripod there, and then I zip tied the tripod onto my handlebars. Now, obviously the old batteries that came with it, as you can see, the infoLithium batteries that came with the camera are long dead. So I bought a couple of third-party Chinese ones. Problem is, these guys use proprietary technology. So here you can see Tetra battery pack. Because there's a chip, there's a little, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little thing here. There's a little notch which communicates with a chip in the battery. And if the battery does not have the chip, this will not work. It'll say infoLithium battery only. This is not an original OEM infoLithium. So what I did was I got some guy to 3D print that little adapter right there, which once is put into the battery slot bypasses the circuitry and the security thingy. So now it works. Very tiny piece, very easy to lose. So I got to be careful in sticking that on. Now, this camcorder has an LCD screen which flips open there, but I can't open it because of the zip ties. So let's just power it on. There's the lens. Turn it on. Let's see if I can get inside the viewfinder. There we go. Yeah. Hit record. I think it's recording. Yeah, REC, I think it's that. Alright. So let's get going on the motorcycle. Alright, I'm back home, took the camera off the motorcycle and now holding it, as you can see in the reflection there. This thing is heavy, so it's hard to hold constantly. But yeah, we'll see how the video footage turns out on the highway there. Obviously the sound is going to have to be muted because it's going to be loud as shit. But if you continue on with this video, I also do a walk around of downtown Toronto, CN Tower, Skydome, Rogers Centre. And you can relive your childhood memories of home videos, you know, nostalgia and member berries and all that stuff. So, yeah. I mean, retro is in now, right? So scared.